Download the app from Google Play Store. After the installation, allow the app permissions it needs. Fill in the login credentials, which you can find in the email you were sent. And then click on Sign In. Once the sign-in process is complete, you would be on the home screen of the Ultimate CA app. Here, you can see two options on the top of the screen: CA Online and CA Offline. Click on K Online as you are a live student. We are going to watch CA, a Mochnish Vorasur sessions. The live lecture is highlighted on the top. Click on it and click on OK. Your live lecture has begun. Click on Full to shift to full screen. You can go back and scroll down to the backup lecture. Click on it to start watch it